Definitely there.
Yeah.
You took.
He's so happy. He's.
Come here, big guy. Come
There
here.
you go, bud.
Come here. Look, you don't even need me. Turn around. Go to mama. Oh my God. Look at that.
Nice. That's a couple of good follies there.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh
Come on, Max. Come here. Max is drooling.
no. Watch out.
Oh, oh, oh.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. It's okay.
There's a leg there.
That's
I just scared him. I don't think he hit.
yeah. I thought I heard.
Oh, did he hit?
I thought I heard a little bit of a thud. How much you hurting? How much you hurting? You okay? You okay?
Walk it off, Theo.
Walk it
off.